Are you looking for a free domain name and free web hosting? If that's the case, you're watching the right video. In this video, I'll show you how to get a free domain name, free web hosting, and also how to create a free website. So let's get started. So to get your free domain name, go to freenom.com. That's a website where you can get 100% free domain names. Just enter the domain name that you want and click on search availability. So for this example, I will search for free domain and host as a domain name. And as we can see, we can find free domain and host.tk.ml.ga. I'll just go ahead and choose .tk. I'll just click on that and then click on checkout to choose that domain name. Then once we go to the checkout page, it's best to select 12 months because it's 100% free even for 12 months, and after 12 months you can renew for another 12 months for free. So click on continue. There we have it. It's 100% free. You don't even have to enter your credit card. So just enter your email address so that they can verify your email. Once you're done entering your email address, click on verify email, and you should get an email with a link. So just go to your email inbox, click on that link, and it should take you back to Freenom. Once you're there, it'll ask you to create a profile with Freenom. So you just have to enter information such as first name, last name, address, and your password so that you can log into Freenom. Once you're done entering all that information, just select agree to terms and conditions and confirm your order. So there you have it. You have successfully got a free domain name. You just have to log into Freenom right now in order to check out the domain name and check out the settings. So once you're in Freenom, just click on services and then my domains, and there we see that's the domain name that we just secured. Just click on manage domain, and we'll actually have to come back here once we create the website. We're gonna come here and change where this domain name points to. We want it to point to the free website. So let's get into creating your 100% free website. So in order to create your 100% free website, go to WordPress.com. So WordPress.com have a free option where they can host your website for free. All you have to do is just create your website by first entering the name of your website or what your website is all about, and then after that select what category your website is. For this example, I'll choose web design, and the primary goal of your website, just check what applies to you and then click on continue. Here it's actually very important, do not click on already owned domain name. What you have to do is enter a name or a keyword for your website. I will just copy the name, the domain name that we got for free, and then paste it there so that we can get their free subdomain there. So it's a free domain and host.wordpress.com. Otherwise, they're gonna charge you for the domain name. And here we see actually WordPress has some paid packages, but don't use any of those. Just go to the bottom of the page and click on start with free. Once you click on start with free, it will ask you for an email address, username, and password. So just enter that, click on continue. It will send you an email to your inbox. So just go ahead and go to your email inbox and click on confirm now, and then you can start building your website. So there you have it. You already have a free website. So the next step is using your free domain name to point to your website. So let's go back to WordPress and click on visit site. Once we click on that, in the address bar we see the free domain name that WordPress gave you. So just copy that and go back to Freenom, click on Management Tools and URL Forwarding, and then paste the WordPress URL. Once you paste that, and then click on Frame, so that's the default forwarding option, and then click on Set URL. That will make sure that whenever you type in your Freenom domain name, it will take you to your free WordPress website. So let's test it out. Let's copy our Freenom domain name and paste it in our address bar, and yes, there we have it. It's taking us to our free domain name. So that's successfully have a free domain name and a free website. Now all we have to do is customize our website. So to customize your website, go back to wordpress.com and let's explore the different functionality. On the left hand side, you'll see all the different options such as adding site pages, blog posts, comments, testimonials, themes, or even when we scroll down, we can see how to manage like people or users of your websites, or even how to add plugins. So first, let's take a look at the themes section, because this will determine how your website will look and feel. So if you click on themes, you'll see all the different themes that WordPress.com offers. There's actually a lot of free themes and paid themes, but for now, since we want to create a 100% free website, we'll choose a free theme. Let's choose a Radcliffe theme, and a good thing is like you can click on Open Live Demo to see how it actually looks. So this Radcliffe theme looks pretty neat. I guess I'm gonna go ahead and choose it. So I click on Activate on the top right, and that will set our website to use that theme, and click on Customize Site to change it to meet our needs. So on the left hand side, you get all the options on how to customize this theme to fit your website needs. So if you're trying to build a website that will look exactly how you want it, this is a good place to check out. So this, I've actually already added some content, that's why it looks the way it looks. But if we select site identity, we can choose like the site title and stuff like that. It's good to explore these different options and mess with them until you get your website to look the way you want it to look. Now the cool thing is the menu section here, like the top navigation bar. You can easily change where you want the buttons to be, or you can even add a new button to your navigation menu, and it's all very easy, drag and drop, and that's how it is. And once you have your settings, do not forget to click on Publish, because that's going to save your settings, otherwise all your settings are going to be lost. So let's go back to the main menu and check out the different options. So if you want to add a new page to your website, click on Site Pages, and I already have a few pages, but you can click on the right button up top, and it will ask you for the title of that page. For now, I'll just choose something generic like new page, but it really depends on what type of website you're creating. That will determine what pages that you need. But it's very easy to create a page and add like pictures to your page. You can easily just a very intuitive user interface. Just click on buttons, drag and drop, and there you have it. It is also a very easy way to preview how your pages are going to look. Just click on the preview button, and you can even see how it's going to look on a tablet, or even how it's going to look on a mobile phone. Very straightforward, very intuitive. WordPress.com is very easy for beginners to use. That's why I really like it, and also really like their free option. So once you made your changes and preview it and it looks good, don't forget to click on Publish. Publish is going to save your page and make it available to whoever visits your website. So that's how you add a new page. If you go back, it's the same process to add a blog post. You just need to click on the right button and then just add your titles and add the content of your blog post, and you're good to go. Another really important thing is plugins. Plugins extend the functionality of your website. For instance, if you want to make your website more search engine friendly, there's like a Yoast plugin you need to install. Or if you want to add like live chat functionality to your website, and there's so many different plugins right there. But the only problem with the free version of WordPress is you cannot install plugins. If you want to install plugins, you have to upgrade to one of their plans, like the personal plan or business plan, and they start at like $4 a month. It can go all the way up to $25 a month, but they give you all of these extra features, all the extra functionality. It really depends on your needs, but if you just want a 100% free website, don't worry about that. You're gonna have some limitations, but if it's fine with you, that's not a problem. You can actually create a really nice looking website with just the free options, just like this website that I created for this video. It looks pretty neat. It works for mobile as well, and it has really good images and whatnot. You can make it look really good with just the free option. So it really depends on what you're looking for, but don't worry about it if you're not looking for anything fancy, just like this website right here. But if you want more from your website or more functionality from your website, such as selling products or services, or capturing leads, or getting more search engine traffic, or more importantly, monetizing your website or making it look more professional, you have to go with a self-hosted WordPress plan. It might sound more complicated, but it's actually not. I have a free video guide that will show you how to get a free .com domain name as opposed to like .tk domain names, and it will also show you how to get unlimited and unrestricted web hosting account for $6 a month. That will allow you to create a more professional website if you're serious about creating your website and making money from your website. So if that's the case, to get access to my free video guide, go to buildnewwebsite.com/guide, and you will get instant access to that full video guide. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to leave any questions in the bottom of this video. I will be glad to help. And also do not forget to subscribe to this channel, as you will get access to all the videos that I release whenever I release them. Thank you very much, and see you in the next video.